this is Ahmed. Today we make a wine glass. So first we take a picture of wine glass from Google. I got the picture. Now copy that picture and pasting into Adobe Illustrator, aligning it and making it layer lock and creating a new layer. Now with the help of pen tool, I draw the outer line of that glass so I can make it 3D. With the help of glass, we start it. Look, we had a color in between the shape. So I change it into a stroke with the help of Shift X key. Shift X key is the shortcut key to flip color and between a stroke. Look. You can make it right with the help of these handles. Now completed this shape and editing its bugs to make it perfect with the help of handles. Setting the top of the glass, we can remake it by removing that anchor point and selecting the pen tool again and connecting that with the Alt key. So I got the perfect shape. Now go to Effect 3D Revolve. It makes that shape around 360 to make a 3D wine glass. Preview it, look at that. Okay. So now I'm changing this color. The roughness in the glass, so I can fix it. Go to Effect, Noise, restart it with the third panel, Preview, go to More option and Blend in step, increase it to better result. Make another copy. Now I'm changing its direction. We can place it in anywhere where we want. We can make it small with the help of transforming. Change its color. into green. Now looks perfect. Now I'm adding the heart in it, map art, so we can make it more beautiful. First we need to find the outside of the glass pattern. That's not the area of the outer of the glass, so we found another one. This is the outer side of the glass. Now I can place our designs here. We can place it anywhere where you like to do. We can change its light direction too, and can make another light too. We can add more designs in it. Now putting the flower, Gerbera, find the perfect place to put on. Now I'm creating a shadow of the glass with the help of tools. Send it to back. Now throw a gradient. Radial. Now drop it opacity for better result. So here we have the 3D wine glass. For more videos and for more things, subscribe our channel. Till then, take care of yourself and others. Have a nice day. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos. Follow our Facebook page. Share our posts. Like our posts. And comment the comment section below. Thank you.